Hello everyone, this is Alexander and today I'll give you a brief update on the current work for Phase 2 of Layan Green Park. We're currently continuing to build the retaining wall behind Building H as part of the ongoing project, and we've also started inspecting the premises using Site View 360 technology from the Plan Radar platform. In Building F, we finished pouring the concrete slab and walls for the water reservoir. We're also preparing to install the interior partitions and are marking out the layouts on the floors. In Building G, the installation of the entrance door frames is complete on the 7th and 6th floors. Work is now underway on the 5th and 4th floors. We're currently installing the window and balcony frames, as well as the glazing on the 6th and 7th floors. Plastering work is finished on the 7th and 4th floors. We've now started on the 3rd and 2nd floors. The first coat of paint has been applied to the building's facade. We're in the process of marking and checking the layouts for plumbing and engineering systems before the final ceiling finishing. The IT infrastructure is also being marked and tested. The installation of pipelines for the private pools is complete. The system is now ready for equipment installation and the subsequent testing. In Building H, we're testing the electrical circuits in the apartments. The installation of cable trays and conduits for the IT infrastructure is 95% complete. We're in the process of marking and checking the layouts for plumbing and engineering systems before the final ceiling finishing. On the 7th floor, we've started installing the frames in the apartments, and the plastering work on the building's facade is now complete. In Building K, the installation of interior partitions is 95% complete from the 2nd to the 7th floor. On the 1st floor, we're marking out the layout for the future partitions. The planter boxes have been poured on the 3rd floor, and we're currently pouring the ones on the 1st and 2nd floors. We're continuing to install the cable runs, laying and mounting the cable pipes and trays for the engineering systems. In Building L, the pools in the 3rd zone have been poured. We're continuing with the rebar installation and formwork for the walls of the first basement level, as well as the reinforcement for the pool walls and basin. Thanks for watching all of our updates. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to stay informed of all the changes. See you next time.